Hello my friends, yes, it's me again. November we didn't make it, not because we didn't try, not because the promoter in India didn't try. So hard did we try, but the visas just wouldn't come through. And because of that we had to cancel. But guys, thanks to the promoters of India and for the efforts here, we are going to be back in January 28th through February 2nd. And actually it's going to be very exciting because we have a combination American and Indian band. DivineConnection, who, as you all know, is a fantastic band, has volunteered to be part of my band. And so between them and a couple of members of my team here in the U.S., we're putting together an amazing band that I think is going to be exciting. I like the idea of international connection, especially with India. And so I say I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Less than a month, actually. So please keep an ear out, find out where we're at, and please come and see us. It's been too long. It's been too long. I'd love to see you all. God bless you, and thank you so much for your interest in what we do. We will see you there.